black.
Hello everyone.
Walang
Today,
kasalanan.
Sino yung white? Si Matthew?
I'm brown and white. I don't know, light brown I think.
Okay,
Okay.
dito kayo.
Let's go. Let's hide bro, let's hide.
Uy, pwede mag-camouflage dito kaya ako nag-black skin.
Bro, where are you?
May dark room eh.
Okay.
Oy, stuck ako!
What the bro?
Oy, stuck ako!
The ape is here. Yo.
Run.
Ah! Yo. I see him.
Bro, everybody is exploding.
Ba't ba lahat tumasabog?
Killing spree. Bro, I'm
Oh
recording.
my god. Bro.
Oh shit. Oh.
Did someone
Okay,
die?
okay, dribble. This is too much.
I need to hide right now.
Ah, shit, namatay ko. Saan ba kayo? Ano ba yung itsura nyo?
Shoot. Bro, I'm recording.
Bro, we can say every language.
No. How are we gonna get views
Yes.
then?
No.
What the fuck?
Oh, what the heck?
The forbidden language.
Oh my goodness, bro.
I see the damn ape.
I died, bro.
Bro, the yellow ape is here.
Who is Gus?
Bro, it's the ape with legs. Oh, he's following me.
Bro, did Caleb die?
Bro, I am like 100 studs away.
Bro, did Caleb die?
Bro, bro also died.
Bro, I died.
Anthony, where is your... Bro, did you all guys die?
Yeah.
I died, bro.
Where are you? Bro, I'm right here.
Bro, I'm the top hat with a suit, and I am brown.
I'm also brown in with a suit and not
Okay, I'm
no
here.
hat.
Got you, bro. I got you.
I have no hat, bro.
Bro,
Who's
I'm
this?
the black dude. With no cosmetics.
Bro, where the heck is you? Is that you, bro?
Bro, I'm brown and I have a suit also, but no hat. Unlike Caleb.
Bro.
Bro, is this you?
I'm the one jumping right now.
Bro, wait, let me see your name.
Bro, there's too many whites.
This is Matthew. Bro, where's Benson?
Bro, there's too many whites.
There's
Bro,
black. Binson is
bro,
black.
where the hell is Benson?
He's right here, bro. He's the one in black.
Is this him?
Bro, where are you? There's so many blacks.
Bro, I am brown with the suit, with the top hat.
Yeah.
I see you. You
Me
are
too.
here, you are here.
I'm the one jumping right now.
Bro, let's stick here. Let's stick here. And let's go spectate. Bro, the yellow.
Bro, there's two of them. Oh,
The ape
The
with legs.
ape is so loud, bro.
wait, there's three actually.
What? No, bro. It's only two.
What the? Okay.
Credits. Bro, I want to buy the blood man.
Bro, me too. Wait. Let me get this.
I want to buy the blood man. And after that, I'm gonna buy the gorilla skull.
Bro,
Guys, buy the gorilla skull.
don't buy
because
the
it has
blood man.
great stats.
Don't buy the blood man.
We're back. Guys say, I died when y'all died.
I'm gonna go with Ashy, JK.
Bro, check the stats before buying it. Bro, buy the Bloodman first.
Yeah,
And
just
then go
good.
with the skull. Why don't you guys believe?
Yo, I'm an ape. Just kidding.
Guys, wait.
Bro, you're not an ape, bro.
I just said I'm just kidding, bro.
I knew.
Bro, we're on the old map. It's too dark here though.
Okay, I'm in the forest section.
Bro, me too. I'm in the forest section, but close to the door.
What the door is closed. Bro, I can camouflage.
Yo,
I can camouflage in the dark. Bro, do you guys hear me?
oh shit, the yellow ape.
Bro, did you guys hear me? Oh no! He's coming for us. Bro, the yellow ape is here. The yellow ape.
Shit.
Bro, is that you?
No, bro, I ran away.
Okay.
Yup, I'm
The ape
gone.
is here. The ape is here. Run, 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 run.
What? Ooh, bro, where are you?
In a way. What is
Oh,
this?
bro, what color is the ape?
It's yellow, bro.
I ran away, bro. What the?
There's no way bro hasn't seen. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, run.
No.
Yeah,
no,
run.
no, no.
I'm hiding in the corners.
Bro, the elevator. Oh no. He's here. Oh no.
Bro, the elevator is not here.
Bro, no way.
Bro, I was so close to the ape and I did not die. I was so close to the ape. Oh my
No way,
goodness.
bro. Bro, the yellow ape didn't see me.
I died, bro.
Oh, there's two apes. Bro, how? Bro, I'm like one. Oh, I'm 8 feet away. How did I die? Bro, what are these hitboxes?
NG Core is hiding here, bro.
Bro, these hitboxes suck.
Yeah. Kain ka ba?
Yo, no, yo,
Tapos
bro,
lang daw
no
kayo,
way they didn't see me.
Bro, you're hiding in the sand. Bro, you're hiding in the sand.
I'm dead, bro.
No monkeys are going there.
Officially the best spot.
Bro, you can camouflage in the hospital map.
I win.
Okay, guys, what happened?
Caleb won.
Bro, no way you won. Can you give me some? Can you give me some? Bro, buy the blood man.
I have no gold.
Grind. And after that, buy the gorilla skull.
Okay.
Not this shit map again. Ooh.
Guys, go
Bro,
to my
how did
spot.
that?
Guys, follow me.
Where are you? Where are you?
you?
Bro, where are you? Are you this? No.
Bro, no, I'm the other one.
Bro, oh my, I died already,
Bro,
bro.
follow me, bro.
I
Bro,
died.
Vincent, I see you.
I died already,
Yo.
bro.
Yo. How? Bro, what color is the ape?
No way you died.
I already died, bro.
Bro, what color is the ape?
Okay, not here, bro.
Yellow,
not here,
yellow.
Not here.
Bro, I swear, if you die right in front of my eyes, I'm going back into the forest.
Bro, the year is right
Oh
there.
no! Rest in peace. I'm
Apa?
going home.
Rest. Ay, grabe. Rest in peace.
Bro, am I the only one alive?
No, there's others too.
We're talking about ourselves. Bro, did Caleb die?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the only one left. Spectate me. Okay, a lot of dead bodies here.
Yo, I'm going
Wait,
to
I
eat.
think I know where the...
Yo, I'm going to eat, guys. BRB. I'm going to end the recording now. Goodbye.